What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we're going to look at part 2 of my pen series. We're going to make a Metro rollerball with a Sapele blank. Let's go. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This Metro Rollerball was a lot of fun. It's a nice, elegant pen. Here's a quick look at what the pen looks like. I will say that there we are. I will say that I did decide to use a different CA for the finish just because I tried a few more pens off camera and I couldn't get it quite right. So in terms of using Starbond CA as a finishing glue, I wouldn't personally recommend it, but for any other application, I would absolutely use it all day long. So overall, it is a great product. I would recommend it. I would just recommend it for everything but finishing. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications. Make sure you comment on the video, share the video, do all that fun stuff. Check out my website, cross-cut-creations.com. I do have a Patreon page as well, so check that out if you feel inclined. And we'll see you next time.